Down at West Coast Park, where the green meets the blue, the sea whispers secrets, the horizon in view. Sampan Plaza stands proud, like a boat on the land, inviting us closer to waves on the sand.
Oh, the sea calls me home with its gentle embrace. Ferries gliding by, yachts in graceful chase. Water breakers stand tall, taming waves from afar. Breeze carries the salt under the golden sun star.
Feel the cool ocean breeze dancing through the trees, sun painting the sky in warm hues of ease.
Yachts sway at the jetty, white sails catching light. Ferries cross the waters from morning till night. Oh, the sea calls me home with its gentle embrace. Ferries gliding by, yachts in graceful chase. Water breakers stand tall, taming waves from afar. Breeze carries the salt under the golden sun star.
Sampans of old, stories they hold in the heart of the park, where memories unfold. Sun dips low, painting gold on the sea. Here at West Coast, where the soul runs free. West Coast Park, with your sea and your sun. Breeze in my hair till the day is done. This is a light, uplifting folk pop style song, evolving the ascension and the coastal beauty of Singapore's West Coast Park. Out at West Coast Park, where the day winds down slow. Golden sun dipping low, painting skies in a glow. Waves gently rolling, ships on the sea, and mystery lights twinkling wild and free. Oh, sunset at West Coast, magic in the air. Orange and purple skies beyond compare. Picnics and playgrounds, kites in the breeze. Hearts full of wonder, feeling at ease. Hey, hey, golden hour calling, joyful and bright. West Coast Park sunset, pure delight. Kids on the adventure swings, dogs running wild. Cyclists on past every face with a smile. Marsh gardens whispering, yachts by the shore. As the sun kisses the horizon, we want more. Oh, sunset at West Coast, magic in the air. Orange and purple skies beyond compare. Picnics and playgrounds, kites in the breeze. Hearts full of wonder, feeling at ease. Hey, hey, golden hour calling, joyful and bright. West Coast Park sunset, pure delight. From the Grand Lawn to the promenade view, barbecue sizzling, friends old and new. Let the day fade softly Tall sunset at West Coast, forever will stay. Golden memories lighting our way, joyful and cheerful under the sky. West Coast Park magic, waving goodbye.